parking uphill without the curb. So first of all, approach the spot, show your right turn signal, park very close, within 10 centimeters to the edge of the sidewalk. So unlike parking uphill with a curb, without a curb you have to turn the steering wheel all the way to the right, opposed to turn to the left with a curb. The reason being, there is no a curb to hold the car. So again, if the car starts to roll, it will start rolling into the sidewalk, opposed to going other way and into the traffic. So when you parked, engage your parking brake, turn off the vehicle, and put the car in the first gear. So now you have two things. You see my handbrake is a little bit weak, but because we have put the car in first gear, it has just stopped. So you have, ideally you have two things now holding the car: the handbrake and the car is in first gear. And because we turned the steering wheel all the way to the right, now it won't roll into the traffic. So when we leave from the spot, first of all, engage your clutch and press the brake pedal all the way. After that, start the car and put it in neutral. Disengage handbrake and turn the steering wheel to the left because it has been turned to the right. Since we are on a hill, we can actually use a handbrake as an aid for us not to roll backwards. So, and off we go. So thanks guys for watching, and